Alright guys, CT doing some real country boy shit today, man. So, see my dog on the back, but I took that off. I took the bucket off, put the stinger on. But I still gotta get my dog where we're going. So when you got a dog that trusts you and listens to you and got a little training, you can get him to do this. This is country boy shit. Everybody, I don't recommend you try this. Huh? Ain't that right, cute? We ain't worried about the neighborhood dogs. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let him down and let him off. And let him run a little bit. He's just gonna lay there and chill. Let me let my man down. No. Going up. TJ, where are we going? We'll let him down. Hey, it's okay. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Now I'm going to let him follow me the rest of the way. Hey, let's go. That's what he likes to do most right there.